हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट्स डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ जो आपके टाइम को सेव करेंगे। तो अब तक जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दे। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विंडोज़ की ओपन और क्लोज स्टार्ट मेन्यू। विंडोज़ की प्लस ए ओपन एक्शन सेंटर। विंडोज़ की प्लस सी ओपन कोर्टाना इन लिसनिंग मोड। Cortana, it is a Microsoft's personal productivity assistant that helps you save time and focus attention on what matters most. Windows key plus D, display and hide the desktop. Windows key plus E, open File Explorer. File Explorer, it is a file browser that helps you access, view and manage all the files stored on your computer. Windows key plus G, open game bar when a game is open. Windows key plus H, open the shared charm. Shared charm allows you to quickly share files and information with people you know or send info to another app without having or exit to the app you are currently using. Windows key plus I, open settings. Windows key plus K, open the connect quick action. Windows key plus L, lock your PC or switch accounts. Windows key plus M, minimize all windows. Windows key plus R, open run dialog box. Dialog box, it is a temporary window an application creates to retrieve user input. Windows key plus S, open search. Windows key plus U, open ease of access center. Windows key plus X, open quick link menu. Windows key plus number, open the app pinned to the taskbar in the position indicated by the number. Windows key plus left arrow key, snap app Windows left. Windows key plus right arrow key, snap app Windows right. Windows key plus up arrow key, maximize app windows. Windows key plus down arrow key, minimize app windows. Windows key plus comma, temporarily pick at the desktop. It means allow you to view your desktop without navigating to it. Windows key plus control plus T, add a virtual desktop. Windows key plus control plus left or right arrow, switch between virtual desktop. Windows key plus control plus F4, close current virtual desktop. Windows key plus enter, open narrator. Narrator means lets you use your PC without a mouse to complete common tasks if you are blind or have low vision. Windows key plus home, minimize all but the active desktops window. Windows key plus print screen, capture a screenshot and save in screenshots folder. Windows key plus shift plus up arrow, scratch the desktop window to the top and bottom of the screen. Windows key plus tab, open task view.